Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's a quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve Microsoft Office with the error code 30015-44 in Windows computer. So this error is a common issue that appears during the installations or updating of Microsoft Office on Windows. It has tendency to stop halfway through the process and provide an indications that something went wrong. Third-party security programs or network issues can also disrupt the installations and inadequate permissions or background processes. And then I'll show you solutions to fix this error. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to clear cache credentials. All you have to do is to open up on a search menu, and then here for search for apps, and then you need to type credential manager, and then you need to click open. And then once you open up this credential manager, so here at manage your credentials, so we have two credentials here, like web credentials, and the other one is Windows credentials. And then you need to select this Windows credentials. And then once you select this Windows credentials, and then look for any Office related credentials such as Microsoft Office 15 or Microsoft Office 16 or OneDrive, and then you need to remove. Alright, so we need to find and locate those Microsoft Office related. And then we have here, so we need to select and then we need to remove. Okay, so click this arrow, and then next, you can see this remove and then click. And then delete generic credentials. So are you sure want to permanently delete this generic credentials? And then click yes. Alright, so once you delete this credential manager, and then we need to close. If the error still persists, and the next solutions we will do is to repair Microsoft Office. So all you have to do is to click again on start menu, and then here for search for apps, and then you need to type control panel, and then you need to click open. And then once you open up this control panel, and then we need to modify this view by, and then click this arrow and select large icons to see all settings. And then next step, then you need to select programs and features, and then click. And then here at programs and features, uninstall or change of programs. And then you need to select Microsoft Office, and then click change. Alright, so we need to find and locate those Microsoft Office. And then for example, select and then right click, and then you need to select change, and then choose the options for online repair and click repair. Alright, so once you're done here, and then we need to close, and then we need to restart this PC. So click this start menu, and then click this restart to fix these issues. Alright, so that's it guys on how to fix Microsoft Office with the error code 30015-44 in Windows. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.